All right, good morning.
Morning. How you guys doing?
We are making the best peanut butter pie in the world. It's so good. The only reason we know, I remember how good it was. Nobody's made it in a long time because Granny used to make them.
Yeah, she died.
And we actually recorded this already, but messed up a couple times, but figured it out. So
Well, it's messed up. We ate it.
yeah, it was really, really good. I forgot how great it actually is. Granny used to make pies for different people.
Yeah.
And so
Peanut butter for I don't know who.
Uncle Bob, I think.
Yeah, lemon meringue for my husband.
Banana for
banana
you.
pudding for me. I mean banana cream pudding pie for me.
Chocolate for Grandpa.
Yeah.
Anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and make this. And the easiest way it's a super easy recipe. It's really fast. The first thing you're going to do is make a pie shell. Now I've already pre-recorded the pie shell because it's the same recipe every time we make a pie, so it takes a lot of time. So we went ahead and did that already. So the pie shell's ready to rock and roll. The next thing we're gonna do is the meringue. It is 3 egg whites and 6 tablespoons of sugar. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw that in. Mom, why don't you start adding the sugar?
Sounded like it didn't want to.
I sounded like it was breaking. I hope it's not breaking. I'm making sure it's okay. So that's what it should look like. The thing is with the lemon meringue, with the peanut butter on top of it, this is not the mile high one. This is just the regular one. It's going in the refrigerator, so it's going to flatten out a little bit anyways after it cooks and sits in the refrigerator overnight. So Mom, why don't you put that in there?
Heck go.
I'm trying to. So one of the things that my mom learned, which I already knew, is that you have to be very precise with measurements when baking. And so yesterday, we had a couple of hiccups on measurements, I think, huh?
And one.
With cooking, you don't have to be as precise, but with baking, you definitely have to be pretty precise. I'm also going to, you don't have to wash the bowl, but I am going to wipe out the bowl because we don't want extra.
Yeah.
We don't want extra moisture in this if at all possible because we're going to make, it'd be nice to have an extra bowl for this thing.
I order one. But you know, it's an older mixer, you don't know how long it lasts.
Well, did you just hear it? It sounded like it was getting ready to actually give up its life.
Well, but then if you order another same one, you know, use the bowl or that one too.
Yeah, okay. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're making crumbles. You're going to take a 1/2 cup.
That's why I messed up.
And the pie shell.
I have an excuse. I had eye surgery, so now I can start without no glasses. But now I gotta have glasses to see. When I think sometimes, oh, I don't have to mess with them. Well, that's what bites me in the rear.
So she definitely had some stuff. So this is a 1/2 cup of peanut butter and 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. We're just gonna put both of those in there and make it a little crumbly. Now, if you didn't measure right, or the peanut butter is a little bit more watery, what do, Mom? You just add a little bit more powdered sugar. I wasn't trying to make that a test.
No, I just was thinking about something else. I was thinking about where did I mess up yesterday.
I couldn't get the It could have been like you said, you had extra oil,
Yeah, I don't. Because
but you did mess up on the.
yeah, on the pie. But on this one, I think I took the peanut butter from the top, but was thinner and a little bit more oilier. So when I put that in here, it wasn't crumbly. Just kind of, Now she's got crumbs.
Yeah, now we have crumbles. This is exactly the consistency that you guys are looking for, just some crumblies. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take 3 tablespoons out of here. 1, will you get the pie shell? 2, 3.
That's something else. I keep laughing about the pie shell. Because my friend made pie and was nice and smooth. But I tell you one thing, I don't know why it's different, why it looks different, but this pie shell is nice and
Crunchy.
crunchy, and with the texture from on peanut butter pie or other pie, it's just right. It tastes really good.
Now, the problem with this specific pie shell is it is a little, I wish this pan was a little bit deeper, but that's what we had because the other one we were still using. So you're going to fill that up.
Yeah. Just put it down.
And now we're going to go ahead and make the rest of the filling, which is also, again, very easy. All right, guys, so this is going to go pretty quickly. So let's just talk through it and then we'll just do it. So this is 2½ cups of milk, just regular plain milk. We have a ½ cup of sugar, 3 egg yellows, a teaspoon of salt,
starch.
and then,
Starch.
yeah, it's starch. It's 1/4 cup of starch. So what we're going to do is my mom's going to take the starch and put it into the milk and dissolve the starch. And then she's going to put the eggs in there and whisk the eggs in. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and put the ½ cup of sugar in here and the teaspoon of salt.
I don't like to put it into the big milk because you still have, you have to swirl too much to get everything. So this is the better way to go by. So now,
then we'll whisk the 3 eggs real quick. And those are our farm fresh eggs, they're amazing. And put those in there too and mix that up real well. They hang a little bit more, don't they? Mm-hmm. The yellow is a little thicker, and so it hangs on the bowl.
it's actually pudding what we're making.
Yeah, custard, really. So now we've got that. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the oven or the stove, put it on boil, and then she will start whisking in the milk slowly. Go ahead. Once this starts boiling, take it off. Don't wait, it'll burn. I can feel it getting a little thicker already. And we also have 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and that'll go in after it starts boiling. And then we put it in the oven at 425 for 5 minutes with the meringue on top, which we'll show you guys.
Oh, in my neck.
Huh?
Oh, in my neck.
Yeah, nobody beat her up. Just FYI, if you guys are seeing those spots, I was like, man, Mom, did you get some hickeys? Where'd you get those from?
Medical physical therapy, they put the cups on it.
Yeah.
To get my
Muscles.
muscles to relax and not hurt so much from the car accident.
Okay, at this point, it's starting to stick at the bottom,
Yeah, you gotta really go fast.
or you will burn it. So just keep going until it actually starts boiling. If you stop, you will have not so great custard. There it goes. Yep. And you can just feel the difference as soon as, just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. Let it cool down. If I stop stirring now, it'll still burn. Keep stirring after you pull it off just for a few minutes so it doesn't burn at the bottom.
Yeah, you can set it on here.
So, I don't think they can see that. So that's pretty much done. Now you can put the 1 tablespoon of vanilla in, mix that with it, which will cool it down just a little bit more. That's, as you're stirring it, it's also taking the heat out of it because you don't want it super hot. So the next thing we're gonna do is bring this little pie shell down. And just pour it even all over.
I think you can probably get it all on there.
Yeah, maybe. So the one reason I don't worry about my crusts is because the crust usually gets hidden.
It's covered anyhow. After the meringue and everything. And
Okay.
boy, I tell you, we don't really need to stuff on top so long as the crust, right?
Next thing you're gonna do is take that meringue that you did and put it wherever you can. You can make it look really pretty by piping it on.
Yeah.
But to me, we'll probably pipe it on during Thanksgiving, guys. Probably not. That's probably a lie. We probably won't pipe it on during Thanksgiving. We'll probably just eat it the way it is. If I was taking it somewhere, depending on where. If I took it to church, I probably still wouldn't pipe it on because they all know us and they know it's a fantastic, whatever it is going to be good.
Yeah.
If I was taking it where people don't know me, I would pipe it on. Otherwise, I probably would
I
not.
usually take it to Bible study and they tell me, don't care what you bring in, it's fantastic. So yesterday I brought some deviled eggs in and I did pipe. Or you piped.
You
Let's put it that way.
piped.
Oh,
You
I
started to
piped,
pipe. I think we did too much of the...
No, not really. It's because the custard is still pretty soft. Take a fork and see if you can rearrange that a little bit.
A fork or a spoon?
Yeah. Yeah, take that off. Okay.
It looks pretty already, actually.
Yeah.
Now, if you had a deeper pie shell, I think it would be a little bit, I would have preferred a deeper pie shell, but it's fine. Will you get the gloves? Because I don't want to burn myself when I put this in the oven. Okay.
Yeah. Let's put a little bit more around here.
Next you're going to take is those 3 tablespoons that we took out,
The crumbles.
the crumbles, and just crumble them back all over.
Crumble, baby, crumble.
Some of the crumbles are kind of sticking together a little bit, but... So this will go in the oven for 15 minutes at 420.
5 minutes.
Or 5 minutes, I'm sorry, at 425. All right, guys, the pie has cooked. It is out of the oven. It looks beautiful. Here you go. You've got the amazing crunch at the top with the lemon meringue, then the custard, and right here is this crunchy down layer plus the dough. It's really good. It's the last piece that's left. We have visitors, so it's not just us eating it. What happened?
They should listen how crunchy that things is. Really good. Not too sweet. The peanut butter is just right. The custard. And like I said, the crust.
Just let it sit overnight.
Nice and crunchy.
Yeah, let it sit overnight. It's a perfect pie.
Yep.
And the pie shells, like, if you start making this, you're never going to want to buy store-bought pie shells ever again. I think I even convinced her now, huh?
Yeah, I might try in that dry pie. I hate to make it because of the rolling, but you know, I was thinking first it was funny how she makes her pie, but boy, that crunch.
Anyways, give it a try. Let us know what you want us to make. We just got the recipe put together for the potato salad, so we're going to do that soon. Let us know what else you want us to make and follow us. Love y'all. Bye.
Yeah, bye.